Hey everybody, happy Thursday night. I am here with a quick Dollar Tree haul. It's going to be a quick haul, so not much. I just wanted to show you a couple of the new things that I purchased. I went to a different Dollar Tree, so I wanted to show you. Look, they have rose gold paper clips by Jot. Beautiful rose gold. I'm going to grab it. Can you see that? Look at that. It's rose gold. I don't have a silver one right next to me. Actually, I do. Hold on. Just so you can see the difference. Look at how cool that is. I've never seen these at Dollar Tree. And my paper clips don't want to come out. Look at that. Isn't that awesome? They got rose gold. And not just do they have paper clips, but they're called trombone. They're actually a really cool shape. And I'm thinking, and this is, I'm loving this. I'm loving this. Look at that. You go like this. Isn't that gorgeous? How super cute is that? So I got those. They only have one package, so I would have gotten more, but they didn't have them. Then, I've seen people haul these. Have you seen these? These are tape runners. I thought I would try one. I think I have a piece of scrap paper right in front of me. Let's see. How cute. Let's see. Sure don't make it easy to open. Alright. Let me grab a piece of paper. I can use this. Alright, so it's almost like a tape runner. Oh, it's that side. Oh my goodness. Can you see how stinking cute that is? Alright, so I got that one, which is the flowers. I grabbed the birthday cake. And I grabbed a heart. Oh, look at that. I grabbed 2 hearts. I wonder why. Look at this. Guess what's going in the sack? Yep, this is going inside there. Shh, don't tell anybody, I'm being sneaky. Okay, so grab this. You know me, I love Tink, so I had to get Captain Hook. And I was in the mood to be a little goofy. Gotta figure out a way to use these. So those are my favorites. Oh, wait. Look what else I got. They might have to get shared. We'll see. Then they had 2 plain white ones. I'm thinking my rosettes. But look how cute. One is a I don't even know what the diameter of this is. This is almost like 1.5 inches. And this one is 1.75 inches. So how cute. 2 different sizes for rosettes. Then I grabbed this. I'm going to put this in my mother-in-law's basket tomorrow for Mother's Day. Oh, and I got stars. Look at that. See the stars? Can't wait to use these on cards. Then I grabbed these for the girls. I figure they're scratch offs, so they're cute. So there's two scratch offs so they could switch. They didn't have 2 girly ones, but Quinn likes tomboy stuff. Love her. Then I got that. Isn't that beautiful? Let's see if I can zoom out. Look at that. I just thought this one was really cute. I have to start using them. Definitely have to start using them. I think this one's so cool looking. So I had to grab that. Then, Shar, if you're watching, guess what I got you? Yep. Gonna stick this in the mail next week too. Look at that. You said you wanted to learn how to do this. I saw you. And it's on video, so I figure what a great way to learn. So I got you one, and I got me one. And then Johnny D picked out something from his past. There you go. Isn't that cute? He was actually a crime scene detective, so he found this at Dollar Tree and he bought it. I'm like, I guess he thinks the kids are going to want to play with it. Is that why you bought this, John?
I bought it just to put in my garage to keep there.
Oh, it's like an, okay. So he bought this to hang in the garage. Oh my God, how funny is he? I'm like, we actually have the original fingerprint cards somewhere in the file cabinet. All right, girls, I have to just check something out. I don't know where I have it, but look what else I found. I scored. I really feel like I scored. Look, I found 2 more. At the same Dollar Tree I found one in last time. So they must have them in boxes in the back and must put them out somehow. But guess what? I didn't buy 1 sticker. Not anything was good in that store. Not 1 sticker pack. And then I grabbed myself a new basket because I don't have enough. I'm working on projects and I don't have enough baskets because I put my project in it and I stacked them up. But look at that. I got those. Found 2 more. So this is my quick Dollar Tree haul. I'm thinking it's under 10 minutes. I should be able to upload it tonight. And don't forget, there was a sneaky surprise in there today. All right, everybody, have a great day. Thanks for watching my haul. And I will see you all real soon. Bye.